There we go, Felix. No deal. Try to stay here. Let him come to us. Help you with the punch. Whatever you gotta do. You lose it. Ready? Do it. Hands up. Let's go, Zach. Hard. Bang. One and go. Hang. Skip. Crossface. Nice. Back up against fence. Back up. Keep walking up the fence. There you go. Keep walking up. There you go. Keep walking up. Keep walking. Hold his wrist to stand up. Bridge off the fence. Bridge off. Grab his wrist. Hold his wrist. All right. Felix, try to stand up. Stand up. Alright. Good. Next time he does that, stand up. Hold his wrist. There you go. Hold his bicep. Good. Use that fence. Bridge out that fence. Hold the biceps. Hold the bicep. There you go. Up. Back door. Go out the back. Hold the wrist and stand up. Hold the wrist. Back door. Pull his head down. There you go. Pull his head in. Pull his head in. There you go. Felix. Pound him. Hammer fist. Felix. Hammer fist.
Get up. Zach, just get up right now. There you go. Good.
Grab his head.
Yeah.
Push you up. Hammer fist.
Let go of the head. Let go of the head and get up. Full guard. There you go. Okay, now go. Now do it.
You back up.
Okay, posture.
Pull his head down. There you go.
Get behind him. Watch your leg.
Single leg. There you go. Turn it to him, Felix. Shake him off. Peel the hands down. Peel the hands down. Peel the hands down. Lean up. Back to the mat.
Let's get his head here. Ready to do a restart.
Come on, Felix.
Excellent, guys. Excellent.
Good to go?
Got it? Come on, Felix. Felix, you got this. Stay over here, okay? Okay, beat him on the hands right now. Beat him on the hands right now. Come on, Felix. Get outside. Push him to his back. Oh! Watch the lips. Hands up, Felix. Hands up, Felix. Hands up. Head up. Lift in. Better relax. Head up, Felix. Head up. Head up. Spin him. Oh! Grab his wrist. Good job, Felix. Good job, man. Mort. He's tired. Tired? That guy's tired. Yeah, that's what I said. Sorry. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Come on, Chris. A little something for the ladies. Show me a little something. All right, that's what I liked. Oh yeah.
A little sexy.
Oh yeah.
That's what you need. Oh wait.
Oh yeah.
Don't get knocked out now. Sit here. I'm just being corny. You know that was good, huh? Was that good? Hey, did you see that?
That was good.
Let's get it for the videotape. Was that good?
That was good.
That was good.
See,
Hello.
sometimes all you gotta do is be an ass. toes, brother. Beat him to the punch.
Here we go, round 2. Give him a hand.
Head up. No, Felix. Head. Breathe. Oh, that's great. Good job, Felix. Keep it up. Felix. Nice. Punching, man. Hey, way to go. Your shoulders. Listen. We're going to see you Come on, Felix. Push on his head, climb back up.
Hey, posture up, posture his head. Hey,
Hold his head.
sit up.
Try to walk back up. Keep it up. Hey,
Attaboys, there you go.
walk up with that.
Stand up, get your head up.
Walk up, there you go, stand up.
Okay, good. Get behind him, get behind him, get behind him, get behind him. Watch that, come on. Step over, good. Okay.
Big bridge, trap his arm. Trap his arm.
Put a forearm in the face and push
Bridge,
through.
go. Climb up and go. Go. Big bridge. Bridge you go. Let's go. Got it.
Armbar inside.
Come on, back.
Get behind him. Zach, get behind him. Get behind him.
Hey,
Zach, get behind him.
Felix, don't let him get behind you. Suck it in a single leg. Suck it in a single leg. Or catch your breath, peel the hands off. Peel the hands off and stand up. Peel the hands off. Grab his wrist.
Get behind him, Zach.
Grab his wrist. Single leg. Walk back, step back. There you go. Keep walking. Keep going. Circle.
Well, you're doing a good job, Felix. You're doing a good job, Felix.
Gator roll.
Peel the hands off. Peel the hands off. Oh, dang, that's nice. Punch it, punch it. Punch it, punch it.
There he goes. You got him now. You got him now, Felix. You got him now.
Sit down. Hey, go to side out and knee him in his bottom. Oh, man. Hey, yeah.
Hey, good job, Felix.
Good job, Felix.
You alright, man? You alright, big man?
Whoa.
Stitches time.
Felix, take him in out. Here you go.
You got stitches.
Where's my nurse?
She's coming.
Breathe, Zach. Alright? Good. Felix. Reach it? Yeah. He's alright. He's got a cut over his eye. He's gonna need some stitches.